Observe the palms come apart, release, and start to lower your hands down. Find the earth with the tips of your feet. Guards through the sides, lift them up, palms touching, that's your heart. Exhale here. Look at your fingers. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. And release tension at the back of your neck. Let your breath exits there. One more inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, open, release, and then lower down. Take another inhale, reach the right arm up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Press your left hand, slightly bend the left elbow, ground the right sit bone, twist to the right, and look up in front of the right arm. Imagine breathing through the right lung. Come back center, and then lower the right hand down, lift the left arm up. Exhale. Left fingers towards the right side, press the right hand, slightly bend the right elbow, ground the left sit bone, twist a little to the left, create a little more space, and then breathe through the left lung, clearing the left side body of any tension or stress. Come back center on the inhale and lower your back. Very good. Find your table position. Put your hands down, the feet behind you. So you can use there's a blanket there, you can use it if you need a blanket for your knees. Everyone fine? Okay. Tuck your toes under the heels. Let's do 4 rounds, cat and cow. We'll start with cow. Drop the belly, lift the heart open through the chest on your inhale. As you exhale, start to round your back, tuck your chin, look at the belly area. And then 3 more rounds on your own. And then you can close your eyes. When you close your eyes, you come home to the body. You release or reduce distraction by focusing on your own sensations. Once you're done with your 4th round, after cat pose, you can come back to your neutral table position. Inhale, table, exhale to your first downward facing dog. Tuck the toes, lift the knees, move the stomach or the belly towards the knees, and then press the palms, start to build the tailbone. Peak of this pose is your tailbone pointing up, so continue to press your chest towards the thighs, and then start to loosen here. So you can start to bend one knee at a time. Lower one heel at a time. You can bend the knees at the same time, straighten at the same time. Downward facing dog. Breathing in and breathing out. Look up or look forward. You can walk, you can hop towards the space between the hands. Take a halfway lift on the inhale, flat back, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, belly to the thighs, look at the space between your knees, let go of any control of your neck. And then slowly rise up, inhale, reach your arms forward and up, have your palms touching. Look up towards the hands on the exhale, hands to your heart. And then release. Very nice. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And then exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, reach your arms all the way up. Exhale, palms together, hands to your heart. Very nice. Interlace the fingers in front of you, reverse and push. Stretch and feel the shoulder blades. Shoulder blades pulling apart, and then lift the arms up. Very good. Now on the exhale, okay, we're going to side bend to the left, move your hips to the right. And then come back center, inhale, exhale, side bend to the other side. Very nice. Come back you're lowered all the way down, interlace your hands. Extend your elbows. Move the palms together, shoulder blades moving towards each other. Lift through the heart. Gazing upward. As you exhale, widen the feet a little apart. Slightly bend your knees. Lift the arms behind you and then fold forward. Like you want to move your head towards the space between your legs. There we go. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. Beautiful. And breathing out. Okay, slowly lower. Release your interlaced hands. Lower the fingers down. Now, lift your left hand. Glide it across the right arm. Start to bend the right knee. Straighten the left knee. Glide your left fingers across the chest and lift the left arm all the way up. Very nice. On the next exhale, lower the left hand down. Let's do the other side. Okay, so straighten the right knee. Bend the left knee. Lift the right hand. Glide the right fingers across the left arm, across the chest, and then reach the right fingers up all the way towards the ceiling. Check your right thumb, align with the right chin. Very nice. And then exhale. Lower the right hand down. And then fold forward. Widen the distance between the feet, heel toe. Point the toes out, turn the heels in towards the edge of your mat, and then bend your knees, sit low. Your knees, and move the thumbs towards the heart center. Close your eyes. Lengthen the spine. There's a gentle rounding on the upper back. And the crown of the head is moving up. And you're feeling the hips stretch here because you're pressing your elbows against the inner thighs, the inner knees. Pressing down on the feet. Breathing in. And then breathing out. You're going to start to release the hands. Lift the hips, fold forward. Move the feet a little closer towards each other. Hold the opposite elbows. Ragdoll. Start to swing a little side to side. So here, imagine your spine lengthening downward. Very nice. Breathe here. Inhale. And then exhale. Slowly lower the hands down. Roll up bone by bone. After we lengthen the spine downward, we're going to stack one bone and the head. Very good. Reach the arms to the sides and up. Inhale. Sun salutation. C. Exhale. Fold forward. Inhale. Take a halfway lift. You can put the hands on the shins or on the floor. Exhale. Fold forward. Step the right foot all the way towards the back. Lower the right knee down. Reach the arms up. Hips forward, the hips can come to a back bend if it feels good already. Exhale, lower the hands down, both sides of the left foot. Tap the right toes, lift the right knee, step the left foot back to your flat. You can lower all the way down if you're ready for your chaturanga. Go ahead. Inhale in upward facing dog. Lift it up. Exhale, downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward between the hands. Take your time setting this up. And then lower the left knee down on the other side. Okay, so once you're here, reach the arms up. Beautiful. Nice part, everyone. Hips forward with the hips. Exhale. Up bend. Feel you stretching the armpits, your shoulders, area of the heart. Lower the hands down, both sides of the right foot. Lift your left knee, feet together. Left foot forward, together with the right foot, halfway lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, reach your arms all the way up. Palms touching, gaze at your palms, maybe a small back bend if you're ready. And then hands to your heart. Arms on the sides. Inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, palms together, hands to your heart. Interlace the fingers in front of you, reverse and push. Lift the arms up again on the inhale. Very nice. And then we're going to step the left foot behind and across the right foot. Okay, and then stretch your arms towards the right side. Very nice. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale. And then come back center. Now, we're going to face towards the left side. Okay, so face towards the left side of the room with the right foot now in front of the left. Okay, so we're facing here. Very nice. Okay, right foot in front of the left. Palms together, hands to your heart. Very good. Take a breath here. The left foot. Ground down onto the right foot. Lift and bend your left knee. Okay, we're bending the left knee. The ankle is flexed. The toes are pointing up. On the exhale, move the left knee towards the left side. Feel that stretch. Okay, keep facing your chest and belly forward. Okay. And then from here, we're going to step the left foot down all the way towards the left side. Very good. Inhale, reach the arms all the way up. And then exhale, hands to your heart. Put your hands on your hips, hinge forward. Okay, so we're going to start with hinge forward. You can widen a little, you can turn the toes a little inward, heels a little outward. And then start to lower your fingers down. Okay, maybe the tips of your fingers. Breathe here. Inhale. Exhale, Prasarita Padottanasana. Tilt the head up, look up. Beautiful. Inhale. And then exhale. Lengthen the spine. One more breath. Inhale. And then on the exhale, okay, you're going to bend slightly, both knees. And then lower your left knee down to the mat. Stretch the right leg out towards the front. Very good. Flatten the palms here. And we'll do 3 rounds of cat and cow. Okay, drop the belly, lift the heart. Very good. Exhale, round your back. Take 2 more rounds. Breathing in. Very nice. Breathing out, round your back. Last one, make it count. Inhale. Beautiful. And then exhale. Okay, now from here, let's come back neutral. Walk the hands towards you. And then bend your right knee. Point the right toes to the right side. So find an inverted letter L with your side and your legs. And then come up, come to prayer pose. Okay, relax your back foot. Inhale. As you exhale, slide your hips to the right. Stretch through the hips. Very good. And then come back center. Inhale, exhale. Slide, open. Feel the stretch to the hip. Okay? Round 3. Inhale, back center. Exhale. Beautiful. Come back center. Inhale. And then exhale. Very nice. Okay, now lower your hands down. Walk your right hand beside your right foot, sa inner side ng right foot, and slant the left arm overhead. Now, yung right knee, let it press your right upper arm. And when you do that, the left side is going to open. Now, play open the side to open that chest a little more. Very nice. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Lower the left hand down. Okay. Return your left knee, return the right knee, and come back to table position. Okay. So we're back in table. Take another inhale here. Downward facing dog. As you exhale. Very good. Breathe. 3, 2, and 1. Look up or look forward. You can walk, you can hop, you can step towards the space between the hands. Halfway lift, inhale, hold forward as you exhale, rise up, inhale, reach the arms all the way up, palms touching, hands to your heart in prayer, and then exhale, release. Okay, lift the arms through the sides and up, interlace the fingers, reverse, and push. Reach your arms towards the left side and open through the right side body from the right arm, right side, all the way to the front of your right hip. And then come back center. Now come face towards the right side this time. So this time the left foot is in front of the right. Very good. Lower the hands down and then prayer pose. Hands to your heart. Shift pose. Breathe here. Squat pose. On the next exhale, open the knee to the side, pointing the right knee towards the back of the room. Breathe here. Inhale. As you exhale, extend the right leg, step it down. Release the prayer pose. Lift the arms all the way up. Palms touching. Gaze up towards the hands. And then exhale, hands to your heart, hands to your hips or your waist. Hinge from the hips. Fold forward. Start to lower your fingers down. Okay, this time, you can extend or reach the arms forward. Find the downward dog in the upper body, so press your chest. Tilt the tailbone. Upper body is downward facing down, the lower body is a wide-legged forward fold. Very nice, beautiful. Breathing in and breathing out. Taking this full body stretch. Breathe. And then on the next inhale, okay, start to walk the hands back towards you. This time, lower the right knee down and stretch the left leg, pointing the left toes forward. Okay, 3 rounds, and then go. Drop the belly, lift the heart open through the chest. Exhale, round your back, tuck your chin. Very nice. Round 2, inhale, looking up. Exhale, round the back. And last one, breathing in. And then breathing out. Back center. And start to walk the hands back towards you. Okay, bend the left knee, pointing the left toes towards the front of the room. Come up to prayer. Inhale here. On the exhale, slide towards the front of the room, opening through the hips. And then you can close your eyes. It feels good. 3 more rounds. Exhale, slide. Very good. Inhale, back to the center. Exhale, slide, open towards the side. And then one last round. Inhale. Exhale, slide. Very good. Come back center. Now lower the left hand on the inner side of the left foot. Slant the right arm overhead like a modified side angle pose. Reach the right fingers here towards the front. Nice. Breathe. Then look up in front of the right arm. Finding that openness on the right side body. Exhale. Lower the right hand down. You're going to return. Turn the knees back to table position. And maybe moving the hips a little side to side. Take another inhale here. On the exhale, tuck the toes, lift the knees, belly to the thighs, and then tilt the tailbone downward facing dog. Keep pressing your chest, keep opening. Choose to focus on the breath, maybe, or the palms or the feet, whatever needs attention. Look up or look forward. Hop, walk or step towards the space between the hands, halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, rise up, reach arms all the way up. Have the palms touching, gaze at your thumbs. Exhale, hands to your heart. And then release. Okay, sun salutation 8. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift as you inhale. Exhale, plank. If you're ready to jump back, go ahead. Chaturanga Dandasana and lower all the way down. Or halfway. Inhale, up dog. Downward facing dog. Exhale. Once again. Peak of this pose is the devil. Building up towards the sky. 3 more breaths. one. Look up and look forward. Hop, walk, or step towards the hands halfway. Lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Rise up, inhale, reach your arms all the way up. Hands to your heart, exhale. And then breathe here. You can close your eyes. Maybe 3 full breaths. As you lengthen your breath, it starts to come down. Then continue to release whatever is no longer serving you. Maybe certain worries or fears that became a habit when you start to think of them. Maybe let go of certain ideas of how the world works. They're not working. Open your eyes, arms on the sides. Inhale, lift the palms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Interlace the fingers, reverse and push. Lift them up. Breathing in. Breathing out, left foot behind and across the right foot. And then stretch towards the right side, hips to the left. Feeling the stretch. Okay. And on the left side body. Come back center. And then we're going to face towards the side. Okay. So from here. Once again, face towards the side. The right foot is in front of the left. Lower the hands down. And then put them in prayer. Shift your weight to your right leg. Lift and bend the left knee forward. Activate the left toes, flex the ankle, and then exhale to move it to the side. Okay, we'll do this 3 more times. Inhale. Exhale. Open to the side. Inhale, come back center. Exhale. Beautiful balance. Everyone inhale back to the center. And then exhale to open. Now, let's come to tree pose. Press your left foot against the thigh or the leg. It's either below the knee or above the knee. We're avoiding the knee area. When you find your balance, lift your arms overhead. Here, full tree pose. Okay, breathe here. Beautiful. Inhale. Focus the eyes on a single non-moving spot. Suck the belly in, engaging the core muscles, and make sure that you are breathing. Okay, inhale. Exhale. Now, start to move your hands back towards the heart space, and then release your leg all the way towards the side, and then stand back. Lift arms up, inhale, arms touching, look up, lengthen. As you exhale, hands on your waist or your hips hinge forward and then fold. Lower the hands down, okay, and walk your hands back in line with your feet. You can press the palms, you can move them a little more behind your feet. Press the palms, elbows are bending, and then maybe the crown of the head touches down. Maybe not. Okay, so wide-legged forward fold, Prasarita, Padottanasana. Very good. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. And breathing out slowly. Look upward and forward. Walk the hands forward. And then put the hands on your hips. Once again. Good rise up. Inhale. Lift up. Reach your arms up. Palms together. Hands to your heart. Exhale. Okay. Now, let me bend both knees. We're going to cross the right ankle over the left. So the right is crossing over the left. And then now, tiptoe your right foot. And then the left knee, press it behind the right knee. And then bend your knees. You'll find some stability there. Release the arms, reach them all the way up to your crisscross chair pose. A little lower, it feels good. Breathe, tiptoe your right foot. Very nice. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Slowly straighten. palms together, hands to your heart. Lift the right ankle a bit above the left knee, and then sit. Bend the left knee to your gentleman's chair. Stay here and breathe. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale. If it feels good, sit a little lower. Tuck the tailbone in. On the next inhale, slowly come up. Cross the right leg over the left and lower. The right goes down. Reach the arms to the side. And then cross the left arm over the right arm. Find your eagle. So you can hug yourself here. Or you can do the full eagle, palms back to back. Or touching the left palm with your right fingers. Okay? Wherever you are, start to sit low. If you find your balance, go ahead and lift the right foot or hook it against the left leg. Now start to round your back. Tuck your chin, stretch the spine, feel the openness on the hips. So there's a stretch on the hips as well. Breathe here, inhale. And then on the exhale, going to slowly rise up. Beautiful. Release the arms, release the legs, and face towards the back of the mat. Lift the arms through the sides and up. Inhale. Palms touching. Exhale. Release. Interlace the hands behind you. Straighten and lift. Feet a little apart. Take another inhale. Exhale. Slightly bend your knees. And then fold forward. Lift the arms behind you. And then slowly release your hands. Lower the fingers down. Start to bend the right knee, straighten the left knee, lift the left hand, glide it across the right arm, across the chest, lift the left arm up. All the way up. And then lower the left hand down. Let's do the other side. Okay, so bend the left knee, straighten the right knee, glide the fingers across the left arm, across the chest, and then lift the right arm up. And then exhale, lower down. Okay, now step your left foot all the way towards the back. Move your right hand outside of the right foot. Slant the left arm overhead, side angle pose. There you go. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Lower the left hand down. Walk your hands all the way towards the left foot. And then bend the left knee, Skandasana. Press the right heel, lift the right toes. And then you can stay here or come into prayer. Good. Lower the hands down, lift, let's come back to that side angle pose. The right hand this side, inner side of the right foot, slanting the left arm overhead. And then lower the left hand down, walk the hands towards the left foot, Skandasana to the left. Prayer pose. Lower the hands down, runner's lunge. Tuck the right toes, lift the right heel. Left foot between the hands, step your left foot back, find your high plank. Lower the knees, chest and chin, or chaturanga. Upward facing dog on the inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. Imagine breathing through the back body. The back of your head, the back, the upper back, middle back, lower back, the glutes, the back of your thighs, the back of the knees, all the way to the heels. Send your breath there. Look up or look forward. Hop, flow, or step towards the space between the hands. Halfway lift, lengthen. Exhale, fold. Rise up, inhale, reach the arms all the way up. Hands to your heart. Exhale. Reach arms up with one more time. Exhale, hands towards the heart space. Interlace, reverse and push. Lift the arms. Step the right foot behind and across the left foot. Side stretch. Opening the side body. Ancient traditions would say open to the purpose of your soul. Slowly come back, center. Let's face towards the right side. Left foot in front. ears are still moving away from the shoulders. Shoulders are still moving away from the ears. You can put your palms together in prayer. Very nice. And breathe here. Inhale. Nice. Exhale. Taking another inhale. And then exhale, hands to your heart. Step the right foot all the way towards the back. Okay. Release the hands, interlace behind you. Straighten the elbows, lift through the heart, a small back bend. Lift the arms as you exhale, fold forward. The crown of your head, the topmost part of your head may touch the floor or may not. Wherever you are, it's fine. You remember that this is our yoga. Breathe here. Keep it wherever you are. Make sure that you're breathing, loving breaths, slow breaths. And then from here, we slowly release the hands. We lower the hands down. Take a halfway lift. Take fingers on the mat or on the floor. Lengthen the spine. Hands on the hips. Stay here. Inhale. And then exhale to rise. You're going to cross the left ankle. Here. Above or on top of the right. Okay, so we're going to bend the knees and then cross. Okay, now, tuck the right knee behind the left knee, tiptoe the left foot, and then sit low, release, reach the arms up, chair pose. Crisscross, chair pose. Beautiful. Inhales. Nice exhales. Good. Breathing in. Maybe sitting a little lower. It feels good. And then on the next inhale, you're going to slowly straighten the right knee. Slide the left ankle above the right knee. And then put your palms together, hands to your heart. Bend the right knee. Gentleman's chair. Sit low. Breathe. Feel the tension in the quads, the right quads. Feel the stretch here when you press the left knee down. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, on the next inhale, we're going to slowly straighten and cross the left leg over the right knee. You can tiptoe and we're going to scoop the left arm under the right arm. You can stay hugging the self here, having some self-love moment, or palms back to back, or twine. Touching the right fingers with the touching the right palm with the right fingers, lift the elbows, inhale, palms away from your face as you exhale, round your back. As you round your back, continue to move the hands away from the face. Continue to lift the elbows upward. So there's that full stretch, and when you sit lower, we deepen that stretch. So there's a lot going on here in eagle pose. Okay, breathe, focus the eyes, engage the belly, suck the can keep your fingers down or you can come into prayer pose. Skandasana. Lower the hands down, lift the hips, walk all the way towards the left foot. This time the left hand can be on the inner side of the left foot, and then again slant the right arm overhead. Nice. Lower the right hand down, walk all the way towards the right foot again. Skandasana, then sit low, come into prayer, breathing in, beautiful, and then breathing out. This time, lower your hands down, face the front of the room, coming to your runner's lunge, both hands on both sides of the right foot there. Breathing in, breathing out, step the right foot back, find your plank, and then Chaturanga, Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Breathe here. Come home to the breath that you started with in the practice. Come a little forward. Okay, widen the distance between your feet. Bend the knees. Now, you can step your feet outside of the hands or you can hop and land without sound. Prayer pose, elbows against the inner knees, lengthen through the spine. Find your Malasana yogi squat. Beautiful. And close your eyes. It's like you're taking a break. Relax and breathe. Inhale. Now slowly, if your eyes are still closed, you can open them. Release your prayer pose and reach your left arm from the inner side of the left leg, lower down on the left side. Lift the right arm up, okay, into an open twist. Okay, so there is an opposite force between the left inner leg and the left arm. And then you can stay here, or you can internally rotate the right arm, bend the right elbow, and then press it against the lower back. And then rotate the right chest a little more. Okay. If you have a binding practice, you can go ahead and rotate the left arm as well, and then reach and bind your hands. Continue wherever you are, whether your left hand is down or the right fingers can be reaching all the way towards the mount of your left thigh. Rotate the chest to the right. Very nice. Beautiful. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Continue to open. Breathe. Loving slow breaths. And then slowly release. Come back to your Malasana. Release. Release the bind. Lengthen the spine again. Elbows against the inner knees. And we're going to do the other sides. Okay? The other side. Release the right hand. So from the inner side of the right leg, stretch the right arm. Tips of the fingers down. Lift the left arm. We'll start here. Reach the left fingers up because you know we need that length. So we can come up. So we can bind. Okay, so good. Now, stay there or internally rotate the left arm. Move it towards the back. Press the back of your left hand against the lower back or reach for the right hip or the top of the right thigh. Or you can bind. Find your bind. Breathe. Twist a little more. It's going to move that closer. It's going to move the hands closer to each other. Breathing in. And breathing out. One more full breath. Twist. And then slowly untwist. Release. Come back to your prayer pose. Inhale. Exhale, lower the hands down, lift the hips forward. then sit low once again. Okay. Bending the knees. Okay. You can move the feet a little closer towards each other. And then sit low. Okay. Sit all the way down. You can use your hands. And then move the feet a little forward, holding on to the back of your knees. Lengthen the spine. Move the hands by your sides. Lengthen. Pose. Beautiful. Breathe in. And then breathe out. Lower. Down. Okay. Point your fingers towards the back and then swing your knees side to side. And then come back center. I'm going to put the right ankle above the left knee, so I can use your hands. Or you can slide this forward if it's too challenging to be here. So you can slide it forward para mapatong natin. Point the fingers towards the back. Take an inhale. Or you can move the left foot a little closer. And when you move it a little more closer, the stretch deepens. Here. Going to lower to the left side, okay? Very nice. Lower your left knee towards the left side. Step the right foot down and look to the right. For another twist. Breathing in. And breathing out. Slowly back to the center. Nice. And then release. Let's do the other side. Okay, bend the left knee, put the left ankle above the right knee, and slide your foot forward, or you can move it closer. Inhale here, exhale to the right, lower the right foot, right knee to the right side, step the left foot down, twist and look to the left. Nice. And then breathe. So, just enjoying this beautiful twist. And then come back center. Very nice. Release your legs and then maybe swing a little side to side. Now find butterfly legs once again. Okay. Lengthen the spine. Hold on to your shins or your ankles. You can move them closer. That feels good for you. On the exhale, hinge forward. Continue to lengthen the spine like you're moving the head and the spine forward and up. And then on the next exhale, start to round. Lower back, middle back, upper back, tuck your chin, forehead to the big toes. Stay here. Breathe. Exhale, maybe folding a little deeper with every exhale. Forehead towards the big toes. Now start to release normal. Keep the position of your legs. Lower your elbows, lower your back, lower your head. Palms are facing down, okay, right below your thighs. Keep the feet, the outer edges of the feet pressing down. Keep the soles of the feet touching. Press your palms, press the feet, and lift the hips, maybe half an inch or 1 inch. Nice, lower down. Ujjayi, inhale, lift the hips. Exhale, lower down. 2 more rounds, close your eyes. Focus on the sensations on the lower back, on the inner thighs and the hips. Exhale, lower down. Last round, feel the strength of your palms, your arms, allowing you to lift the body. And then exhale, slowly release, lower down. Step the feet down, knees together. Arms to a T or cactus, your arms. Whatever space is allowed for you, and then swing your knees side to side. Okay, lift your feet, hug your knees to your chest, rock side to side. And then lower the feet down. Okay. Nice. Now, going to come, option to come to bridge pose or your full back bend here. Okay. And then, we're halfway joke. So again, bridge or full wheel. If you're working on full wheel, this is the opportunity. Again, back again. Close. Taking another full breath here. And whenever you're happy with your wheel or bridge, lower all the way down. Swing your knees side to side. Where is the tightness? Where is the looseness? Beautiful practice, everyone. And then once again, hug your knees to your chest. Rock side to side. And then go back center, happy baby. Just making sure that we loosen everything. And then release. Straighten the legs out. You can come to your fish pose. If you have a practice of coming into fish pose after a back bend, or you can move the feet together, legs together, insert your palms under the butt cheeks. And then you can make this shape now sa ilalim where palms are facing down on the floor. Bend the elbows, press, lift the upper body, reverse fold your head, chest up, and then lower the crown of your head down. Point the toes. Point the feet. Nice. And then you can release your Shavasana. Come out of the pose. Relax your head, neck and shoulders. Relax your entire body to the earth. And feel as if it's becoming heavier and even sinking into the earth. As you relax a little more, let go of clenching the fingers, biting the teeth, striving, trying hard to let it all go. For now, in Shavasana, and just breathe. You can visualize a fallen leaf, and it starts to release, to let go, like it's exhaling moisture, to dry into the warm earth. It's like letting go of being a leaf and becoming earth. Letting go of who you think you are, what you once knew. It's a time of melting. It's a reminder to pause. Maybe some people, they never stop to rest. That is true. How will you ever know what it is to live if you don't rest? We smile at our sorrow. Dissolve clouds of worry. And like the mask sky, it reveals when clouds have rain. And that's the blue sky of your life.
Nice, Matt.